Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Zamp Prism HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to get logged in your Zamp Prism HR account, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.zamphr.prismhr-com. Once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the admin login. So once you tap on the admin login option, all you need to do now is simply type in the email address of your account that you had previously created and type in the password of your account as well. So once you're done filling in both the credentials, all you need to do now is simply tap on the remember me option if you want, or you can just skip it on and tap on the login option. So after you tap on it, you will get logged in your Zamp Prism HR account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.